Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm making everybody's favorite biryani but with some shrimps in it. I am making shrimp biryani or prawn biryani, same masaledar spicy rice with the added touch of seafood. And everybody enjoys seafood anyways in this weather. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First in a pan I'm heating up some oil and then adding some chopped onions. You can use sliced as well, but chopped onions cook a little more faster. Then I added some minced garlic and cook until onion and garlic start to change its color. Then adding chopped tomatoes and ginger as well. Mix until and cook until tomatoes started to get a little softened. Then I'll add cumin seeds and add any star seed badiyan ka phool as well with some seasoning, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder and red chili powder. You can add any other whole garam masala as well. Then I'm adding yogurt in there. Mix everything well. Bring the flame to its lowest setting, cover and let it cook until oil separates and it comes on top. Till then we're gonna go and prepare rest of our ingredients. Here I'm boiling some potatoes and these are optional. Then in a separate bowl I'm adding kevra essence with some saffron threads, saffron. Mix well and put it on the side. I couldn't find kevra here, so I'm using kevra essence today. Separately, here preparing some haram masala. I have green chilies, cilantro and mint leaves. Today I am just cutting the slit in the green chilies, but you can cut them vertically as well. And I'm just coarsely chopping cilantro and mint leaves here. Now let's talk about shrimps. Culturally, we love large shrimps, but for any rice recipe, if you're using small size shrimp, they will make your rice biryani or pulao more flavorful. Now let's prepare our rice as well. In a pot, I'm starting to boil some water with some cumin seeds and black cumin, kala zira with some bay leaves and salt. Let the water come to complete boil and then I'm adding rice which I pre-soaked for at least 30 minutes. Today I'm using basmati long grain rice. You can use sela rice as well. Mix and let them cook until they are 3/4 done and then drain the rice and put it on the side. Here our masala is completely cooked as well. As you can see, oil is coming on top. And now it's time to add shrimps. We don't need to cook shrimps for longer time. If we overcook our shrimps, they will get chewy and tough. So my flame is on medium to high right now and I'm just mixing it. Now I'm adding pre-boiled potatoes in there as well. Mix well. Here I'm adding an optional ingredient. I am adding bouillon cube. If you're adding it, just adjust the salt because bouillon cube is extra salty. Just check the seasoning now. If you want to check if shrimps are done, shrimps start to core up and they change their color. Now in the end I'm just adding garam masala. Mix very well. Now bring your flame to the lowest setting and here I'm adding the prepared haram masala. And then I'll add the mixture which we make with the kevra essence and saffron threads. Just drizzle it on top. And now I'll add some orange color or biryani color. Cover, simmer and let it cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'll add pre-boiled rice on top of it. Just spread it in single layer, cover and put it on dum. Here today I'm using griddle to put underneath and then put the rice pot on top of it. This will ensure that rice are getting equal amount of heat and the masala at the bottom will not get burned. Then with the very light hand you can fluff the rice. Here you can see rice are completely tender. You can see all the grains are separate. They're not mushy but they are completely cooked. So this is how I make my shrimp biryani. You can serve with a side of salad, kachumar or even raita as well. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.